Some of our kits come with Snip and Stick Details. These printed sticker cards are perfect for adding even more detail to your kits. All you need to apply them are some scissors and an emery board. The sheets typically include multiple design and color options, so you can choose the option that goes best with your style. These are created to coordinate with our paints. On the bottom of the card, we include the matching paint names. Once you have selected the design you want to use, cut it out with some scissors. For most of the pieces, you don't need to worry about cutting it perfectly along the edge. However, with some details, you will want to cut more precisely, like with the top edge of these banner pieces. All of the stickers will be simple shapes to make cutting them out easier. If the detail does not go edge to edge, like the sign on this crate, you will want to cut it as precisely as you can. Then attach it by removing the protective backing and adhering it to your finished piece. If you have any trouble removing the backing, try this hack. Take a piece of scotch tape and attach it so part of it is on the corner of the back of your sticker. Press it firmly to make sure it is stuck. Then slowly peel back the tape and the backing should separate and come with it. Once your backing is removed, center the sticker onto the MDF side of your piece. It may be easier to flip the sticker over and place the piece face down on top of it. Once it is on, smooth it down to make sure it is adhered. For pieces that are fully covered by the sticker, we have made the sticker design slightly larger to ensure it will fully cover the MDF piece. For these details, we will do one more step to make sure our edges are nice and crisp. To remove the excess sticker along the edges, we are going to use an emery board. Hold the emery board at about a 45-degree angle and file along the edge, pulling from the front towards the back. Repeat this process along the entire edge until all the excess has been removed. Now your shape is ready to add to your kit. As always, you can use the peel and stick adhesive on the back of your MDF to attach it to your project. If you want more ideas on how to finish your pieces, check out our other tutorial videos on the Learn and Create page of our website.